Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto Chester. My name is Chester and today I'll be walking you through Ethereum. Here to give you an Ethereum update. The reason why I'm doing this is because Ethereum has claimed my altcoin of the day because a lot of potential chart patterns are playing out. And there's just a few things I do want to go through here. Going to be starting off here on the daily. Just going to get straight into it. Don't want to mess you guys about. You're here for crypto TA only. As you can see here, starting off on the daily chart, we've got a double bottom chart pattern as we saw here. Humongous W coming through here and we're waiting for the completion of the measure move coming through like so. As you can see, we'll put that just above it like there. The price target for that is going to be 3,600 and around 17 for the completion of that measure move from leaving this grey box zone of the previous crucial lower high points that we have initially found support on and actually seen the uptrends continue from there. In terms of percent for this measure move from the top to the bottom there, it's going to be around a 23% gain there. So well done to anyone who spotted that chart pattern and is currently long on Ethereum from there. Currently now, if you were looking to long Ethereum, it would be around an 8% gain if you were going for solely that chart pattern. But hold on. I've got plenty more to go through, and don't just be blindly long in Ethereum, right? And obviously, guys, nothing I say is financial advice. It's all just educational purposes on potential TA for you guys to do your own research on yourself, right? Now, let's jump to the 4 hourly because there's quite a lot of interesting stuff actually happening here on the 4 hourly. A couple of things I do want to go through here. As you can see, we do have a pretty crucial level of support coming down on this lower side in terms of this trend line, right? A couple of times, tested that 4 times, and we found that support, and this uptrend is actually played out very strong indeed, forming a rising wedge pattern. Yes, bearish chart pattern, annoyingly, but still a higher low here, so it's absolutely fine. Even if we do break down, we've still got a potential bounce point to think about, as well as major moving averages as well. Now, let's go on the basis that we do have a bit of a parallel channel coming through here. As you can see, something along the lines of this parallel channel. We've got lovely levels of resistance coming through from these top side here. So if we are looking for a break to the upside out of this parallel channel, let's forget the rising wedge for a second here, guys, because even if we do break down in terms of this rising wedge, the measure move for that won't be us losing this this parallel channel here, so we still have the potential to break up in the future. Just at this time in the micro here, it's likely that we are going to probably break down a bit and then have the retracements to the upside. Once this rising wedge has kind of fallen off a cliff, right, and it's just basically we've completed it, right? That's what we're going to be going for. But the measure move to the upside here from this parallel channel, which we're inclined to draw if and when we break, obviously speculatively speaking here, people, is going to be along the lines of this, right? And in terms of a percent for this gain, one, we're going to be looking for that breakout. We could be entering, we could be entering around this sort of zone here, and then basically riding that wave all the way up. Staggering our take profits, guys. We know we're big for that on this channel. Staggering our take profits. We'd be staggering our take profits. One, at this volume weighted ATR band. Two, we know we've got a take profit point at the double bottom measure move top here, double bottom measure move top here, sat around that 23%. As I said, 8% here to here. That's what we'll be going for initially. And then obviously taking profit around 4%, taking profit around 8%, and then probably around 50% of our trade left in going for the completion of that measure move at around 12%. Obviously, guys, that is the future, something to be looking out for. Nothing I say is financial advice. Please go and do your own research before doing that. But right now, in terms of Ethereum, right now, if we jump down to the hourly chart pattern, we do have a bit of an inverse head and shoulders that has played out, guys. So well done to anyone who did spot that as well. I think we could do something along the lines of this. As you can see, it probably works a lot better on the 4 hourly, actually. let me jump to the 4 hourly, and then we'll have a little look at that there. Zooming in quickly. I don't want to make this update too long for you guys. I don't want to take up too much of your time. But yeah, as you can see here, nice inverse head and shoulders pattern played out. You know, I'm not the biggest fan of a head and shoulders pattern, but hey, it's played out. It's there. It's done. Let's get rid of it. But just a bit of educational TA for you guys there. But yeah, let's jump straight into this rising wedge pattern, because we know about rising wedges here. They tend to usually break to the downside. So at this point in time, it is looking a little bit bearish in terms of a curl over from this parabolic Mount Everest climb here. You know what we say about climbing Everest, guys? If we're climbing Everest, we need to be resting at base camp 1 to get some more air. Otherwise, we're gonna crash and we're gonna basically die, right? You can't go parabolic like absolute crazy without seeing any sort of correction or consolidation zone, which is exactly what we're seeing here. Unfortunately, with that being said, we are setting lower lows continuously in terms of this trend since the most recent downtrend that we have seen, bar this one which we're currently in. We have set a lower low point. So yeah, it's not looking too great for Ethereum right now. I must say, it's looking a little bit bearish considering the chart patterns that we do have playing out here. But we have come up and seen the heavy resistance off this horizontal resistance line, Viva resistance at 33,050 there. The resistance is futile. The next target point I would be looking for, we do have the 55 moving average, which we've currently been riding up continuously. This is where I would be looking for a level of support. If we are going to find it, guys, this is where I would be looking for a level of support. And also we do have a horizontal correlating with that pretty perfectly as well at 32,095 there. Now let's go on the basis. I just want to go on the basis here that we do actually break this rising wedge pattern to the downside. Now we can't really do a measure move on where this where the most recent downtrend would be, so let's do it on the previous most recent downtrend, right? That's going to be basically a measure move, obviously speculatively speaking here, guys. And this is the measure move for the double chart bottom. That's not a trend line. Do not be miscolluded by that, right? So yeah, this is going to be what we are going to be looking for in terms of a potential short position for the old Ethereum coming through there. In terms of a percent for that, we're going to be looking at around a 4.59%. So as I say, guys, there's a lot of positions to be looking out for Ethereum, and that is why it's claimed my altcoin of the day. And just obviously do your own research here, guys. I'm not your financial advisor. I do not have an economics degree. Now, obviously, we're going to be taking profit at all major moving averages, and also pretty crucial horizontal points there. As you can see, we've got higher low points coming through here continuously, and yeah, they're going to be staggered in terms of take profit. So we'll bang one there, we'll bang another one here. Obviously, going on candle body closes here, guys. We're going to be staggering our take profits continuously all the way down. And you know why we do this? Say if we got into our position as we left this this rising wedge pattern here. We hit our first take profit coming down here, and then we see a reversal. The moment we hit our first take profit, guys, I can't stress this enough. The moment we hit our first take profit, we take our stop loss, or wherever we're going to put it. Obviously, looking at all the other time frames and stuff like that. We're going to basically be moving our stop loss to our entry point. We're moving it to our entry point just in case we do see a reversal in the price, and it does have that continuation to the upside. And this was a trap. We've still already hit one take profit. Yes, we've been stopped out, but we've been stopped out at entry, so it's not a negative position, and we've already taken profit. So at the end of the day, it's still a green position, right? It's still a successful trade there, and that's why we do that, to minimize our losses. And I made absolute cold hard cash doing that. So yeah, that's definitely advised. Definitely something that I would take into consideration for your trading ability in the future from an educational perspective. I mean, let's jump to the RSI, the relative strength index coming through here. As you can see here, we do have a divergence coming through, a bearish divergence as well, that is going to be bringing the price down as well. Maybe looking like, and it's very, very messy at this point in time. Let me clear up this chart for you so it's more visually appealing. We're going to need that. Let's get rid of that. 1 second. Apologies. Yeah, so as you can see, we do have a nice bearish divergence. This is massive yellow line coming through here. To the top side here, guys. So that obviously is an indication that we could be seeing some sort of reversal in the price for Ethereum and having the continuation of this trend here, making us actually break down to the lower side here. So that's another star that is aligning for us to break down. But hey, at the end of the world here, at the end of the day here, guys, we're still in a nice uptrend. We're still setting high lows continuously on the daily. It's still looking very progressive. As long as we don't lose this trend line that we got coming through here, sat around that $3,014 there, and also with this grey box zone at 2,900, these very crucial lower highs, then I can't see us having any major reversal for Ethereum. I do think we are going to probably have this downtrend play out just to validate what we have seen recently for Ethereum. These nice pumps coming through here, having a nice downtrend actually play out would be absolutely fine, absolutely healthy, and then progression to the upside from there. Looking at the completion for of this double bottom chart pattern coming through there. That's going to be it, guys, from the Ethereum update. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. I will be coming on next. My next altcoin update today will be Solana, so stay tuned for that. Press the subscribe button, press the notification bell, press that thumbs up as well. That helps me out tremendously. And also, yeah, I do stream every single day, Monday to Friday as well, guys. And I do pick 3 altcoins a day, and I do a little video for you as well, a little update. So yeah, if you do like the content, smash the subscribe button. But yeah, for now, it is going to be peace out and goodbye from me. Crypto Chester, right? Yeah. Bad at outros.